Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan i30 130 TDI, stock reference number 4669. This shape runs from the 7th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2016. It has a GFGC 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. GFGC 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the left hand side. It's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front is a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.